How to turn off notifications on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you want to scroll down to the Basics section and then click on Notifications. And most of you won't land on this page right here. This is the notifications section of Chrome in my phone. Most of you will land on the in-app notification settings, which is this page right here. And to turn off notifications on this page, you simply turn off the toggle next to it at the top, off. When you turn the toggle off, the notifications will be blocked. However, I don't like to use this page as it doesn't have that much details to it. What I like to use is the previous page, and I can show you how to access that. You simply need to open up your settings and then scroll down to apps and then go to Chrome. And from the privacy section, click on notifications. And here you will be able to access the same page that I showed you previously. And it doesn't matter which phone you are on. So in this page, you have a lot of sections. You can turn off the notifications entirely by clicking on the toggle off. As you can see, notifications from this app will be blocked, or you can turn off specific notifications. For example, you have the general section from which you can turn off, say for example, the completed download notifications. You can turn off the incognito notifications. You can turn off the say for example, apps notifications and stuff like that. The second section is the websites section, from which you can turn off the websites notifications entirely, so you won't get any notifications from any website, or you can turn it off for some websites just like I did and leave it on for some other websites. Maybe you follow news or stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you can do it. And also in the general section, you can turn off the general notification altogether. So that was it for this video. Let me just turn off the notification entirely. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off notifications in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.